Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Today I'll show you how to manage Google Pay. Firstly, let's download Google Pay from Play Store. Now we can open it. And tap on Get Started. Allow for permission location. And as you can see, here we've got our homepage of Google Pay. From this place, we can pay contactless with your phone. It means we can set up contactless payment. We can stay in loop. It means we can participate in feedbacks. We can see our recent activity and full activity. We can add loyalty card, see our apps that are connected to Google Pay. We can manage all of our payment methods, and that's basically it. Let's tap on payment. From payment, we can add payment method by tapping on this blue icon. In passes, we can see all our passes and we can add them. Let's tap right here. In activity, we see all our activity. In participating banks, we can see full list of banks participating to Google Pay. We can also add promo code and see settings. Settings are divided to general and notifications. In general settings, we can turn on or off email updates, Gmail imports, we can see our location settings and edit our account info and privacy controls. In notifications, we can turn on or off purchases notifications, offers and tips, and updates about our passes. Also, we've got contactless setup. We can see if NFC is on. We can see our screen locks and set up payment method. Last things are help support, send feedback, and about. Let's skip it. If you tap right here, you got access to your Google account. And that's all for managing Google Pay. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.